Does anybody know what kind of plant this is? It's got these little kind of serrated pointy leaves, as you can see here. It's got some pretty vicious spikes, like you can see here. It's got these dried up little, what look to be like some kind of fruit or some kind of, you know, berry or something from last year. Got these beautiful yellow flowers all over the place. And then right now it's got this amazing smell. It's very sweet smelling, and it is just covered with bees. I don't know if you can see any of them, but they were just kind of flying around all over the place here. You can kind of hear them humming. It's really cool, but I have no idea what this plant is. If anybody knows, let me know. Originally, because of the thorns and everything, and I was thinking like, oh, who knows, you know, maybe it's not that great to have this here. But if it's going to attract this many bees, I'm probably going to leave it here, because this is pretty amazing. And I also wonder if the plant is useful itself for us, you know, even beyond just the bees. You can see one right in there. It's really cool. There's tons of them. Let me know in the comments if you know what kind of plant this is. That would be most useful. And then especially if you know if it's you know, edible or anything like that, or if it's good for some medicinal purposes or whatever. Let me know. Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Over here at the new place, and got a bunch more cardboard. So I was pretty lucky driving home one night. Came across a bunch of cardboard being put out in front of a store. So I got a whole mess of it, and just spent the last, I don't know, probably 45 minutes cleaning off the tape. And I'm going to be expanding the mulch bed that way. And then I'm also going to hopefully have some left over. Although it depends on how big I make it. Maybe I might go that direction as well. What I also want to do is to use some behind, like the raspberries going towards the fence, so that I won't have to be mowing anything in there, and keep all the weeds and the grass down as much as I can. So we'll see how much cardboard I have, but yeah, let's get to work. So that's what it looks like now. I've expanded it quite a bit. And yeah, I really just want to focus on this area the more I think about it, because getting the weeds down around the raspberries is not as critical as getting as big of a, you know, growing mulch bed as we can for all the other veggies and stuff. So yeah, I think this is a good idea. I'm going to start bringing out some more bags. I used up all the mulch for the other section there, and I haven't had a chance to go rent the you know, the chipper machine yet, so that will be some other day. I'm going to try to go as long as I can here before it gets dark. The sun is kind of getting low, and I'm going to bring as many of those bags as I can. I'll probably use all of them pretty much just to cover this, and then I might still need even more mulch from the stuff that I'll be grinding up later. Let's get to work. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like now, and I'm pretty happy. It's starting to approach a pretty decent sized garden now, and there's definitely, you know, going to be more mulch coming on top of this, because most of this is just like leaves and twigs. It's not as you know, condensed as that, and once I start grinding everything up, I'll be able to add some more to the top there, and also kind of keep coming this way, I think, a little bit more. We'll see how much mulch I'm able to make, and also just timing wise, you know, I don't know. We'll see how many, you know, plants I'm able to get started in time. It's been kind of difficult to have the setback, as I showed you guys in the other video. So we'll see, you know, if I'm able to get enough going. I do have enough cardboard to kind of keep coming out this way, quite a bit more. So yeah, I don't know. It's looking pretty good. If you want to see how things progress, make sure to sign up and subscribe. Keep you up to date with the goings on here, and yeah, I hope to be growing a ton of food in here this summer. So stick with me, and thanks for everybody's support. See you in the next one. Bye.